I'm not a welder. This is definitely not a how-to channel. Good morning. It rained and snowed yesterday pretty much all day. Mostly rain, and then middle of the night a little bit of snow. But I got all 4 of these tacked up in the middle of the rain, which is why some of the tacks look like shit. I'm assuming that's water is what will cause it to bead like crazy or do weird shit like that. You know, versus, I mean, to me that's normal, but I'm sure there's fucking welding people out there that would. But anyway, today finished up the welds on those 4 struts. Angles of them look pretty good. I went through how I was getting them lined up, but basically I measured here and here so they would all be on the same plane there, and then measured out from there to the edge on all 4. So it's pretty much the same line here, same 2 lines here, same line here, same 2 lines here, and then matched this angle here with this angle here. So anyway, I'm gonna go get another cup of coffee, let the planet Hoth warm up a little bit, and we'll get to it. Ice is melting. All that rust is rusting. Have you guys seen this trick? Oh, f***. You want to impress your friends at the garage? Hey. Boom shaka. The old brush. I call them barbecue brushes, although they're made for this, for welding and shit, but burger barbecue brush, look at that. So I don't fuck the paint up. Yeah. I'm definitely no expert in welding. Not even close. But I've done a good amount. Well, not even a good amount. I've done some welding. And what I've done, I know it's really important to check chart and follow this to get you in the ballpark. I don't know what it is. On this Hobart, it's 1 through 5. So we'll do 4 on the top, 5 on the bottom. And the wire feed speed, it says between 40 and 50 for either one of those settings. I'm also a f***ing idiot and do things pretty stupidly. The hell? Is it frozen? Might be because it's using it out in the rain. Let's see if this fucking works. Let's try that again. It's penetrating pretty good. It's still wet underneath the bars, and it probably will be for forever until I take it off, and then forever once I put it back on. We still have gas. Wire feed speed seems alright. I'll just keep it at 45. It just didn't feel ideal. You know that feeling when you're welding? It doesn't feel exactly right. What's going on here? Sorry about that. Oh, a little better. This is coming back in action. Packer. You might be perfect. That ain't bad. So, next order of business here. These are the crossbars that I've got some like weird things here and there. I'm just gonna zip them full. This one's actually had a shitty attempt at being full. This one's got clear and obvious holes in it. I'm not going to spend too much time on them because it doesn't really matter too much, just as long as they're full. I think what I'm going to do is put a flat piece of aluminum on this side, the bottom side, and weld on this side. Alright, so this is what we're doing here. Got some aluminum going right underneath that. Boom. Creating kind of a flat. Just like that. So you can see the aluminum peeking through that hole. Then we're going to zap on top, which is pretty dope. I'm going to turn down your fill, wire speed, whatever you want to call it. Readjust the helmet accordingly. There we go. Probably shouldn't get into that habit of attaching that to the cart. I'm sure that's going to cause a problem. See that? all. So, that was, I'll do it the old-fashioned way, I guess. What I should have done from the get. There. Better. That one's good. Well, that shot in there pretty far. Go. For now it's done. I'm gonna bust this off, the rest of those 5 bolts on either side, and then we're gonna finish up the welding. Almost done.